Okay, here we got a 2010 C800 Suzuki. You can see this bike and the modifications made to it on www.bikerbase.org. Today we're going to change the exhausts from the standard exhaust that's been debaffled over to Vance and Hines. And this is what she sounds like at the moment. And I shall now turn the video off, fit the Vance and Hines exhausts and see what the sound difference is. And there we go, Vance and Hines cruisers installed on a 2010 C800. Hell of a lot smaller than the stock exhausts, but much prettier. So let's start him up and see what he sounds like. As you can tell, that is one hell of a lot louder, with a lovely tone to it. So there we are, Vance and Hines cruisers on my 2010 C800. You see I've done a few modifications to it. Before installing the Vance and Hines cruisers, I'd also put on the time and retard eliminator and the fuel injection processor. I've updated the maps to aftermarket exhausts and air filter, and there we go, all sorted.